Good afternoon, everybody. Teresa here with another origami video. Today we're going to be doing a star, this little guy here, and then on Wednesday, just as a reminder, I will be doing the Paul's flower, that's this little guy here, and then on Friday I've got the chopstick holder, so this fun little one here. Alright, so today we're going to do the star. It's super quick, super easy. There's one little bit of a complicated fold, but that's not till near the end, so hopefully once we get there it'll be a little easier to figure out, I guess. I've got my double-sided paper, and I'm going to use the pattern, so pattern side down as usual. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start in a triangle. So we're going to make our triangle here, again making sure our corners all line up, and nice tight creases along here. And we're going to fold it in half again into a smaller triangle, again lining up all the corners, and nice tight creases again. And then we're going to fold this into a square. So we're going to take this and we're going to open it up. I'm going to match this corner with this corner here, and just make sure that it doesn't bunch up down there. And once we've got that going, we're going to make sure we get nice flat square, nice tight edges. And then we'll flip it over. We're going to do the same thing, but first I want to make sure that this crease is nice. So I'm going to hold the bottom down here, and I'm going to just fold that over in the opposite direction. That way it'll stand up on itself, just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open this one up again and fold. So corner to corner, making sure that these don't spread open. And just pinch everything together, make sure it's all lined up around here. And again, flatten down into a square. And nice tight corners. Nice tight creases. So once you've got that, you want to make sure your open end is facing to you. And we're going to take this one and we're going to fold it into the center line on an angle so that the angle points down towards the open side. And again, tight creases. And same thing on the other side. Like that, and then we'll flip it over and do the same thing. So same thing, we're going to go this way and make sure that we go to the direction of the open end, so you have everything going the same way. And then the other side. Just like that. And then we're going to fold this down along here, so we're just going to fold it down on this, just like so, and then you can put that back up, and we're going to open this up and make a nice big wide open yawn, open it all up, and we're going to bring this, pull this one all the way back and fold these down, and you'll see the crease here that we have. So we're going to follow that same crease but fold in instead of out. So just take the time to make sure you do that nice tight crease again, and then we'll flip it over and do the same thing. So open up and open wide and just follow that crease, and all I'm doing is folding it along the crease we made already, and then fold it down. So you should have two big ones and two little legs, and once you've got that, we're going to fold this over so you have this kind of a silly little triangle, and we're going to do the same thing. So we're flipping it over, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Just like that. So once you've got that, we're going to lift this, and we're going to match it up to this end. So we're going to take this and just go all the way up, so it matches up with everything at the top, and then flip it over And same thing to the other side. So everything should be pointing up. And once you've got that, we're going to fold this top piece up to the center line. So all we're going to do is go like this, fold it over, just like that. Same to the other side. And then flip it over, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So again, we're just folding to the center. So you should have just like this. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. So what we got here, we're going to hold it here, and we're going to gently unfold and gently unfold. So you have to kind of pinch, and it gets a little funny. So the easiest way is to take your fingers and hold in here with your finger underneath, and hold here and here, and here and here. So you kind of have it tucked in the middle like that. And if you hold it all nice and tight, it'll stay. But sometimes it wants to pop open like that, and that's okay. If you go the opposite direction, they'll stay where they are. So the inside flap, so I'm just going to bring it back to this one. So right now, we want to separate these two, but they're on the inside. The easiest way to do this is to actually hold the outside ones, and just ever so gently kind of hold all these pieces together just like this. And all I'm doing is gently pulling, and I'm holding under here so that they don't fall apart, and I'm pulling along here at the same time. And what that does is, if you keep pulling, and all I'm doing is keep pulling all the way back, and it'll stretch just like that. And then you can just gently fold and push those creases down. So that's what I mean by the one step is really hard. So when it's all tucked in like this, it gets kind of funky and it wants to unfold. But these two little flaps that we folded up earlier, those are what you want to hold on to so they don't unfold. And then just really gently pull it back until it's all the way folded down. And you might have to go all the way backwards. That's okay. Just don't go too fast that it rips. And then once it's done, you just push those little squares in, and it's all done. Whoop. So super quick, super easy. The hardest part is literally just that little one, but if you get that down pat, once you figured out how to do that little fold, a lot of the other folds that we do later, and even in the crane, we do a similar one where we pull the wings apart and the center of the crane kind of poofs up in the middle. So it's the same kind of thing. So super short video today. Hope you guys are having a good week, and I look forward to seeing faces on Wednesday. Thank you very much.